كنت أصلي لله تعالى أذكر شوقا اسم الله حبا إكراما
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another vlog of Khushi's Kitchen. So today we are going to make something very special and very tasty and really very nice for the winter. So now the winters has started and it's really very nice to eat at this season. Pie is very special food in our family, especially in India. We mostly make it during the winter season and it really gives a very warm effect to the bones. It helps in boosting immune system. Also it helps in strengthening the bones. Especially it's really good for the ladies who has just delivered. So come along, let me show you how to make pie. So here I'm taking 2 dozens of pie. Now, so here I have switched on the flame. Now let's keep it on little low. Now we'll put the pie on top of the flame. I will roast the pie on the flame. Each time you can keep 3. No problem, but if you are a beginner, please try 1 at a time. Now I'll keep it on high flame. Now use a tongue, as it's really dangerous without the tongue. Use the tongue to turn it. Yes, exactly. It should become like this. Okay, so now it's time to keep it on low flame. Very carefully use the tongue and see, it's all done. I think this side little more, so I will keep it here. Let's turn this one. Yeah, this is ready. Now turn it this way and let's roast it this side in the middle. Okay, it's done. I'll keep it here. Now another one. Yeah, this is also done. I'll put the other 3. Now again we will do the same method. Each for 3 minutes. It's enough if we are using the big burner. No problem. Actually, I use my right hand more. I work with my right hand as it is the right way, but for making a video for you all, I use my left hand for cooking. But I think I'm not able to do it properly with the left hand, so again I will try to make the video with the left. Okay, so it's all done. Now let's keep it on the tray. So now I will be using 2 flames at a time so that I can finish it quickly. So here it is, it's all roasted. Now after roasting the pie, we will wash each of it separately. Washing is very important, so please make sure that you wash each of the pie and keep it on the tray. So all are washed nicely. Now we will keep all of it in the pressure cooker. I have 10 liter of pressure cooker. So what I will do is, as it's 2 dozen, so I will take 2 pressure cooker and divide it equally. So we are going to keep the pie this way, like this, the bigger part at the down side. Also you can do it the cross way, one here, one that side. So this way I have divided it into cooker. Now I will add 4 onions, half in this cooker and half in other cooker, like this, half sliced. For 1 dozen you can use, you can add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. But if it's 2 dozen, then you must add 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. So this way I'm dividing each of the ingredient half portion. So 2 dozens means it's almost 24 pieces of pie, and so 1 dozen, it's obvious it will be 12 pieces. Salt I will add 3 tablespoons in each, so total it will be almost okay, we'll add 5 tablespoons as per your taste. It's up to you. If you like, you can add less, or if you want, you can add more, and no problem if you add less right now, because somehow you can taste it after the pie gets dissolved nicely. It becomes soft. Pie gets soft, that time also you can add the salt. You can taste it, no problem. Now we will add red chili powder as per your taste. I'll put 1 here and 2 teaspoons in this cooker, so total 3 teaspoons. If you want, you can add more. Now we will add turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons. So each 1 tablespoon in each cooker. Now we will add 1 jug of water in it. I think that's not enough, we will add more. So almost I added 2 liters of water. You can move the onions inside and we'll make this more half. Okay, so the nahari is almost done.